Hey there, it's Vicki Marie, and today I'm going to do the Tiny Tidy Tuesday video. I'm going to be putting these out every Tuesday, and this is an open collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. So do go over and check out her channel. It will be linked in my description today, along with all of the other fabulous channels who participate. And if you are interested in participating, do reach out to Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. Let her know. And because we just got back from camping, I thought, what can I tidy up? And what really needs to be tidied up is our lawn. I've got to cut the lawn today, do a little bit of tidying up in our garden. So I want to take you guys along and show you what I'm doing with container gardening. But we've had this big setback because we've basically been getting these like monsoon type rains all week that have prevented me from getting out there even before we went camping to do anything. So I'm a bit behind, but I do need to cut the lawn, and I need to get it cut while the grass is dry before it rains again. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'll just chat with you as I get the lawn cut. So I want to talk a little bit today about the benefits of tidying up. Now I realize that I am tidying up the backyard, my garden area, and mowing the lawn, which some people might feel doesn't really count. But I say it does count because when I'm out here sitting in the garden, just relaxing, I know for me, I cannot just relax if things are just sort of just sort of out of place or unorganized. It really does affect my well-being. So it made me think of this whole idea of the benefits of having an orderly and just a tidy environment. So I'm going to just talk about 5 of them today, and I would love to hear from you in the comments, anything that you have to add to this, and where in your life can you start decluttering or organizing or just tidying up. It's all tidying up, any of that. When you are cleaning and just getting your environment sort of put together so that you can be more productive and less distracted, that all counts as tidying up in my book. So I know this open collab from The Helpful Home, really I love it because it doesn't have really set rules on how to do this. So we all get to sort of invent it as we go. And being a creative kind of minded person, as I know that Sunday Dawn is an artist, and there's several very artistic people involved in the collab, like Melinda over at Melinda Plain and Simple. She writes, I think we can all relate, so many of us, to this whole idea of being creative and just sort of creating a blank canvas to create on. So we'll talk about that too. Let's just jump into this. The 5 advantages to tidying up. Tidying up and keeping a clean and organized living space offers so many benefits. I'm going to just talk about 5 advantages of tidying up today. Number 1, increased productivity. A tidy environment can just help improve productivity and focus. When your space is clutter-free, it's easier to find what you need, and you can work more efficiently. You can work without distractions. Organized surroundings can also help clear your mind and also enhance your ability to concentrate. Number 2, reduced stress and improved mental well-being. Clutter and mess can contribute to feelings of stress and anxiety, and tidying up your space can have a positive impact on your mental well-being. A clean and organized environment promotes a sense of calmness. It reduces visual distractions. It creates a more, peaceful environment. Number 3, enhanced efficiency and time management. Tidying up helps you establish a system of order and structure. So by organizing your belongings and your grass, you'll know exactly where to find items when you need them, and saving you time and effort. Maintaining an organized space really does prevent the accumulation of unnecessary clutter, which can save you from future cleaning and decluttering tasks. Number 4, improved physical health. A tidy living space can contribute to better physical health. Yes, it can. Regular cleaning and organizing activities, well, such as dusting, vacuuming, and decluttering, reduce the accumulation of dust, allergens, and even potential health hazards. So additionally, an organized space makes it easier to maintain good hygiene, and that leads to a healthier environment. Number 5, increased clarity and creativity. Tidying up can have a positive impact on your mental clarity and creativity. When your space is organized, your mind is less likely to be preoccupied with clutter that's all around you. And this can help foster a sense of mental clarity and make it easier to generate new ideas and think creatively. An organized environment can provide a blank canvas for inspiration, and it allows your thoughts to flow more freely. Overall, tidying up offers numerous benefits that extend beyond just having a clean and organized living space. It can positively impact your productivity, your mental well-being, efficiency, physical health, and of course, creativity. And now I'm going to share a little bit of my own personal journey with this this whole idea of decluttering. It hasn't been just merely about creating a tidy space for me. It really has been a transformative process that has nurtured my soul. That sounds a little woo-woo, but it is really, really true. Releasing just the possessions that I have has liberated my physical space, but also my mental and emotional energy. The act of decluttering has just brought a newfound sense of freedom. With each item that I've discarded, a weight has been lifted. I felt lighter, I felt unburdened, and it's, just physical clutter that I've just held on to, and it's become a metaphor for, mental clutter as well. Mental clutter that just has been there in my head, affecting my creativity. I have just been able to, I feel like I've been able to focus more. And if you're watching, you see that white little fluffy dog. I'm totally distracted here. I'm keeping an eye on him. He lives down the street. I don't know the owners, but I've seen him out more and more. It does concern me a bit. And he has not come up to me. He watches me. And so I am kind of keeping an eye on him as he's hanging there, making sure that he does get home. I'm a little concerned though for that little puppy. He's just always out wandering the neighborhood lately. There he goes. You'll see him come back up, and he's right close to that the road where the cars go up and down the road, and he stays on the sidewalk though, thankfully. So anyway, you'll see him come back down here in a minute. He is safe though, and he did get home. It's keeping things simple, and I've been craving this, just creating a place for everything and putting everything in its place. It not only brings order to my home, but also instills a sense of harmony within myself. The chaos that I feel like I can really get wrapped up in, rather than living that way, I want to just live in this what I would call a sacred space, a sanctuary, if you will, that's free of all of that clutter and all of the distractions. The benefits of decluttering extend far beyond the physical. As I sift through my belongings, I just have unearthed treasures, just long forgotten, rediscovered pieces of myself. The act of decluttering becomes an act of self-love, an affirmation of my worthiness to live in a space that nurtures and supports my dreams. Going to be it today. I got the lawn done. I am now sitting here enjoying some iced tea. And I hope that you found that helpful. Let me know if you did in the comments today, and let me know what you're tidying up. Again, go check out Sunday Dawn's channel, The Helpful Home, as well as the other ladies and other channels who are participating in this open collab. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you're doing well. Take good care. I'll see you on the next one.
I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you?